System malfunction. Kick. Drum.
Hey y'all, hey. Girl, they is mad. Girl, they is mad at me about this box. Girl, they is furious about me getting this box. You know, like, that ain't making me do nothing but enjoy it more. Like, is y'all ready to hear about me and my box from Not Polished? Hello, happy Sunday. I'm about to get into some swatches with my Not Polished box. Will y'all, listen, let me take a moment. Will y'all please send that lady something so she can leave me alone every day? Will y'all please, Team Bling, y'all get a box together. Let me know what y'all need. Please send us something, Lord Jesus. Girl, I'm going to enjoy this box. I wasn't going to say nothing else, y'all. I was about to do a voice. I said, golly. Y'all want to see about this box? Okay, so let me tell you what happened. In this box, you get 6 of these gel color and lacquer duos. They are amazing. I know some people were saying like they wish you got a top coat and then the gel. I don't know. I don't use lacquer, but some people do for like art. Oh, you know, it just depends on what you like. So I think it's cool that you get an option. You will see the lacquer bottle is clear because you can see what color it is. And then the gel bottle, there's a color swatch like top, which I love about my new polish. I love it. So we're starting off with Milky White. Do y'all see how I got these numbers now? Y'all see I got some swatches? It's getting real professional over here. Then got this video under 20 minutes. Okay? Ain't nobody got time for you to be mad about a box that I'm probably gonna get some more of. I mean, it's just, you need to just get used to it, honey. Excuse me. Hello, Rosa. I'm sitting next to you. As a matter of fact, I drive the bus now. As a matter of fact, I own the bus now. I don't know what she's talking about. Leave me alone. Let's talk about this polish. Girl, will y'all send her a box? When is her birthday? Jesus. I hadn't said I'm not going to be petty. But y'all want to see these swatches and laugh. This is hilarious to me. So right after I blocked her, I got back into my swatches. You know what I'm saying? I was like, let me get into this voiceover with this Milky White. Look at me swatching professionally. Lighting is lit. Tray clean. Hello, honeymoon. That's what this is called. It's called honeymoon. And I like her. Now, I like this whole box. The issue was just some other... We've already discussed it. You know, I don't like living in the past. Like, that's for crazy people. That was yesterday. Today's Sunday. Moving on. I love my box that I always had the option to choose which one that I wanted. And I chose the one that was smelling like polish. And it ended up being a great choice for me. Thank you, NATO. Thank you, babe. I'm about to enjoy. Girl, I'm about to have this box. Hello, it's me. I'm about to have this box a long, long time. Maybe she's mad, she thinks so much. Swatching you. Listen, what color is this? One that you should have. Right on over there with your fingertips to the Not Polished site. I'm going to get back to I think this is Red Fox. I think this is Red Fox. My favorite color. And then I made a mess. And you're going to see I clean it up. Okay. There was no need to stop and, mess up the flow. I was like, girl, you'll get it. But if you're OCD and you're watching, boom, gone. Got this black, real sexy, real deep. I love this gel polish. It is an amazing add to the collection. I'm so grateful that NATO thought of not only me, but to send another content creator, or me, something extra to send for another content creator. And it was not her, and she's furious. Oh well, look at the colors. This is about to be on my nails on this channel. Oh, my box. So, we're going to get into some acrylic swatches now. I'm going to tell you something. I did 2 coats. I just didn't do it on camera. Like, who needs all that? That's so extra. You just want to see what color it is. These are some gorgeous colors. I'm not the best at polishing. I don't do everything correct, and I don't have to, because this is my channel and these are now my products. And well, as long as they get used, and they shall be used accordingly, that's all that matters. They are appreciated, they are loved, and I am grateful. And you will be seeing them on this channel. If that is a trigger for you, you might want to tune out. I'm trying to be careful. I'm trying to be mindful of those with mental health issues, and just give them trigger warnings. Just give them trigger warnings so they can just stop watching the content that upsets themselves. But if you want to click on it repeatedly, that's fine. Please just don't text me about it every day, because what do we do over here? Convert and conserve energy. So what I'm going to do is not only be petty in this voiceover, is make another video with this box. So I don't know what you want me to do. We're here to show product. We're here to do nails. We're here to let the people know what's out there. And what's out there are these acrylics, which are about $20 a piece. Some of the 1 ounces are $15. It just depends. These came from different collections. Like when I went to look, it was like all from like the gum collection, the M collection. They were all from like different lines. If you saw the packing process on their website, then it was no rhyme or reason. When it came to the original box, if you were only ordering one, and then the second box would have included all of the colors and basics to go with these colors. So if I were someone who didn't have basics, I might have wanted a box that was mixed, but because I am someone who has a lot of basics, it was great that this was full of color, but I still would have needed those basics to mix with these colors, which I am not doing. I'm not mixing that. I'm going to finish show you what color it is, and then you're going to move on. You get this at home, and then you mix it with a clear and make a mess and work harder, not smarter, because it's just a swatch. Okay. So, but if to give Not Polished credit, they would have technically sent me everything to use these colors properly between 2 boxes. It just was not all in one box. So that's not really their error. Again, they were trying not to give me doubles. So what I did was just wanted to show you the base color straight out of my new jars of Not Polished that I love so much. And I didn't mix them or cut them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just wanted to show you in a timely manner. I understand that some of these should be mixed. I understand that you might feel like I'm doing it wrong, girl. Okay, girl. What I'm going to continue to do is enjoy this box, which is all NATO wanted. And I'm one of those people, girl, if you're not gonna ruin my dinner. You're not gonna ruin my dinner. So I'm gonna eat this box. I'm not gonna leave any crumbs. I am over here masterminding design after design after design after design to use every single bit of what was sent to whom? Me. And however that came about, I am grateful. This is a grateful spirit. A little bit petty because I'm tired of being harassed, but it's okay. It's okay. Mental health, crazy people, it's real. It's real. It's a part of YouTube, and I am just blessed that I'm in the mind frame that I can make a joke about it, you know what I'm saying, and enjoy my box and move on. Because guess what? I got another box coming tomorrow. So I don't know. Okay, you might want to go take your meds or stop clicking on these videos if you're easily triggered by premium nail products, because that's what we're doing over here. I'm working on the content. As I said in my community post, I'm trying to keep these time frames down. You know, I think about my audience more than I think about other YouTubers. But it is a part of life and a part of being a YouTuber. And I'm learning and adjusting just like everybody else. I'm human. You know, I get tired and I get frustrated, but I will try to keep all of that off of the channel. If you've seen what's happening, girl, they mad about this box. I know, girl, it's amazing. This box was amazing. I am a new YouTuber. I've been on YouTube 2 months, and y'all have been so good to me. And I realized I decided long ago that she would be upset forever, because I'm going to succeed, girl. This what come with it. So, you know, it is what it is. And it's not going to make me appreciate y'all any less. I'm not going to hide the product. I'm not going to not use it. I'm not going to, ain't nothing y'all sent to me about to go to waste. Lisette did her thing today. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, NATO. And guess what? You'll see another video probably tomorrow. So, let's continue to celebrate. It's Sunday. If you have some colors similar to this and this line in another product line, go do you some nails today. If you don't, I encourage you to step outside of your comfort zone and order you some brights, order you some neons. Do something productive and fun with your day. It's Sunday. I already have this on my nails, this exact color right here. I love it. Interested to see what would have happened if I cut it. But I also just love like bright, vivid, like true tones. Whether it's neons or like gem tones, as long as the color is true. I'm not really a huge fan of like pastel light colors. This yellow, you definitely would have had to build up, but it could go great with certain designs. Or if you want to do an ombre for the millionth time, you could probably use something like that repeatedly. But I mean, do what you do. And I'm telling you, I'm finna use all of it in several different combinations in conjunction with things that I have. So this box already, great. It's fabulous. It just depends on what you're going for, what you're looking for. And hey, when somebody just takes the time to send you something out the kindness of their heart, who's crazy enough to complain? The box could have been filled with all black. I would have made it work. I would have made it do what it do, because that's the type of person I am. I'm not entitled. I know that I'm blessed. I know that there have been people on YouTube way longer than me, and they haven't received anything from any of their supporters or anything like that. So I truly know that where I am is rare. It's rare, and I don't take it for granted. And I will continue to get up here and make content despite what's happening to me behind the scenes, and try to be positive and happy for y'all every single day. So I'm getting this video out there. Thank you so much, NATO, for sending these boxes over to me, and throwing in an extra one for me to send to someone else. Okay, girl. I am going to go do some nails. Y'all will be seeing this. I'm going to be doing some testing. Let me only say this. I don't know if my new lamp, I've noticed with certain polishes, it doesn't cure all the way. So I'm going to switch out lamps. I'm not going to say that that's an issue with not polish. I just think I would either have to cure longer in this lamp or get a lamp that's higher wattage. I also like my polish to go on a little thick. That way I got to do less coats. So I'm not saying it's not polished. Polishes issue. It's my issue. I just would cure longer in between coats. But this is the green that got, or lime. It's called Dirty Money. That got messed up. But I think it's just the they're thicker, and you gotta learn your product. I love all of this. As you can see, the polish and the acrylics kind of go together. You could do something. You could spark some creativity in yourself and create some really, really great sets, even if you just order these colors individually. So I'm going to go enjoy my blessing and not focus on, Happy Sunday to everybody who got this box. How lucky and blessed you are. And to everyone, give it a shot. If you can. I'm not going to say it's not a not buy or a buy. I would say if you can risk it, I'm not disappointed. I didn't pay for it, but I wouldn't have been disappointed had I received this box, which this box I'm showing you is the closest to what you were supposed to get. So thank you, NATO. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Bye. And if you want to donate to my Cash App to make her even madder, it's in my bio. Cause I'm petty. Love you guys. And thank y'all so much for loving me. Bye.